Comprehensive 3-day training course, Urodynamic Theory and Hands-on Learning. This training is performed on-site and includes everything your staff needs to fully perform urodynamics testing. The following is included. Day 1. The Science of Urodynamics and Protocol Review. A complete review of urodynamic theory to provide needed context. A review of standardized protocols for urodynamics, including best practices. A review of differences required for male and female urodynamic studies and catheterization. Discussion of urodynamics in your clinic and adaptation of protocols and curriculum for your clinic. Step-by-step review of urodynamic equipment configuration to enable optimal equipment use. Day 2. Hands-on learning delivered, done at your location. Trainer and your staff jointly perform urodynamic studies on 4 to 5 patients. Your staff will largely observe the testing as it is performed. Review performed after each study to reinforce both theory and proper protocols. Review of software used to collect and record the urodynamics data. Review of software used to view and interpret the urodynamics data. Day 3. Additional hands-on learning and complex cases done at your location. Trainer and your staff jointly perform urodynamic studies on 1 to 3 additional patients. Your staff will perform the testing while being observed and corrected by the trainer. Review after each study to reinforce protocol compliance and data capture. Discussion and video review of complex urodynamic cases that will typically arise. These include immobile patients, patients with spinal cord injuries, urethral stricture patients, interstitial, cystitis patients, etc. Summary and conclusion. The 4 things that make BHN's training unique are: the training is done on-site at your location, so your staff doesn't have to travel or be taken away from their busy schedules. The training is done on-site using your equipment and configuration, making the training more accurate and useful. Our training leverages testing on live patients rather than a plastic torso and fake bladder, making it much more realistic and applicable. Since the training is done on-site, the customer is able to bill for the testing performed, which typically more than covers the cost of the training. These 4 advantages make our training vastly superior to other alternatives. Call BHN now to talk with a customer service representative to get all your questions answered.